Hey guys, if you are using Anki Droid or Anki Web or any type of flashcards software, this video must be important for you. I'm gonna tell you why. When you accumulate a large number of flashcards on a long period of time, one day you may need a hard copy, something realistic as a piece of paper that you can touch with your hand. So now you need to change your deck file to a printable type of file. A file that you can print to papers in the library or any type of bookshops. So I was searching all day long for a program, a software that can do this task, and I finally found it. So first of all, you need to export your flashcards deck file to your memory storage. And then you need to install the program that can convert your file to a printable file. So how can you find this type of program? And I'm gonna explain with you step by step how to do it. So let's start. Okay guys, so now I will open the program software to show you how to download and install this software. Okay guys, so as you can see, we want to visit this website. It's the whiterocksoftware.com. I will put all the links in the description box down below. So as you can see, this website have all the software converters to all types of files to different formats. So as I said before, we need to find the apkg file extension, a printable type of file, to a Word document or PDF. So we're gonna search here and we're gonna type apkg. As you can see, convert apkg Anki file to Word. Okay, I'm gonna open this. You will see all these choices: Anki to Excel, Excel to Anki, HTML table to Anki, Word table to Anki, XLS to Anki, and so on. We want the Word one. As you can see, this one, Word table to Anki. So you're gonna download it. It have a really small space, as you can see, 6 megabytes. So anyway, I installed it before, so I don't need to do this. I will skip this step. So anyway, after downloading and installing it, I told you before, and as you know, it's a paid software. You only pay once in your life. It's paid only once, like for your lifetime. So no need for any monthly subscriptions or anything like that. One time for your life. So after downloading and installing it, we're gonna open it. It's a really simple software. So as you can see, here we have the steps. Step 1, select input Anki file. I have this Anki file. It's from my university decks. As you can see here, Anki deck package. So you're gonna click here to select input file on my desktop right here. Step 2, conversion options. So here it's clear you can't see any option because I only purchased this program, Anki apkg to Word. But if you have more than one program, you will probably see like Anki apkg to PDF, to Excel, and like that. So next step, run conversion. Run. As you can see, it's really fast. You're gonna select where you will put it, save. Yeah, that's it, right here. Sometimes if your file is too big and have too many flashcards, you will find this problem. So how can you solve this problem? It's really simple. Guys, so as I said before, if you face this problem, I'm gonna tell you how to solve it. You have to copy your file to your phone. You have to copy it. Okay. After that, okay, let's see. Okay guys, so after doing that, you have to open your file from your phone. So here's our file. You have to open it from Google Docs. As you can see, it's opened from here. From here, there is no problem at all. It's just loading, yeah. As you can see, everything is perfect. So after opening it from here, you have to save it. Make a copy on your device. I'm gonna select the location. I'm gonna just select it right here. I will change the name so that I can recognize it. Yeah, without the date. As you can see, just wait a little. Yeah, cool. Everything is going well. So you will copy and paste your new file to your laptop or PC. Let's do it. Okay guys, so after copying our file, we're gonna paste it back to our laptop. As you can see, here it is. Copy. Yes, and paste. Awesome. This is the new file and this is the old file. I'm gonna open it and it will run perfect. You can see it's loading because my file is really big. And ta-da! Everything is perfect. Basically, it made the flashcards in a schedule. You can, of course, change and edit whatever you want. I'm gonna make it bigger. Yeah, like this. And you can delete some stuff. So whatever. I'm gonna show you my new file after editing it as I want, making it printable. Here it is. That's my final file. Yeah, everything is perfect. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed and got some ways of turning your flashcards into a hard copy and exporting it, and how to solve some of the problems. I hope everything is clear. If you have any question, please comment and I will respond to you immediately. So goodbye and see you in the next time.